Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'll be changing out some door handles. These are the old ones. I upgraded them to these ones right here. This is actually a nickel finish one. If you want to check this awesome product out, I'll leave a link down in the description below for it. This is a really nice door handle. I like the unique design. Couldn't even find this at Home Depot, so I like the little kind of infinity kind of design it had. And you can actually lock this from the inside, just like this. It's locked now. And then this is to unlock it. I'll be installing this today. So I decided to change out these door handles because these are the original door handles that came on this house. And this house is a 1998 model. And I remodeled this bathroom recently. So I decided to change out these handles and upgrade them to this one. So I went with the 6-pack because it was the best deal I found online. These are only like $12 or less each instead of going to the hardware store and paying pretty much like $25 just for one. So did this one, this room, and this room. And then I pretty much bought the dummy ones that don't have any kind of lock mechanism on it. That's for just like closets. And I have this one that has a lock on it as well. It's the satin nickel finish. So right over here is very similar to the one that I bought online for a 6-pack for a fraction of the price. So these are around $25 just for one. So this is what it looks like whenever you close the door. Nice and tight. And that's what it looks like when you open it up. Here's another door I'm working on. This is a bathroom I'm changing out the door handles on. So you just remove all the components out of it, and the first thing you install is the locking mechanism. So just stick that in towards wherever the door is locking. So it's going to go this way. So stick this in here, put the screws in, and now it's time to put the door handles on. So you actually take these apart just like this. And at first when I bought this set, I thought it was missing the actual bolts that go into the handles to secure it. So I thought these were missing right here, but it's actually already screwed in right here. So you have to unscrew these first. So we're going to do that. Take this one out. The lock part goes on the inside. So let me pivot it this way. So this is going to go in here like this. And then this side goes on the outside. So I'm going to stick that in first. Kind of got to wiggle it in there. Right, so that's good. Then this piece goes on the back just like this. Just got to wiggle it in there a little bit. Just like that. And now we're ready to take our screws and put them into the two holes. So that's the first one. Just kind of hand tighten it first. And then I'll screw it in. So I'm gonna bend this down like this and stick this into the hole and then screw it in. So, just like that. And that's pretty much it. So, bam. All I gotta do now is just the catch plate, which is really simple. That goes on the side of the door. And one thing I found is if you have a gap between this door and the door jamb, I'll show you a quick little trick. This is a can opener for the paint. You can get this at most hardware stores. If you use this and pull on this inside little tab right here, just like this, it'll bring the door closer to the door jamb. So these door locks do have a nice safety feature on them where you can unlock it from the back end here. So if you locked it and you need to get access back to this bathroom, like this is locked right now, you could actually take this tab, turn this counterclockwise, and this would unlock the door. So the install is done. Didn't even take 5 minutes. Definitely, if you're looking to upgrade the door handles on your home and add some elegance, check out this awesome product down in the description below this video. I have this design as well as others, and quick little overview of how it looks and how it closes. Nice and tight. Open it up. All done. Door catch is done. That's it for today's video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.